Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a 2012 Honda CRF80. This bike has super low miles and is offered for $19.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is probably more comparable to the 125 big wheel currently. Honda kind of changed out their sizes a couple years back, but it's a great entry-level bike for young kids who are ready to move up from a 50 or a 70 or a 110, looking for something a little taller. It's got great power, kicks over on the first time. The bike's been gone through by our service department. This one we put a brand new carburetor in it, so you won't have to worry about any issues like that. Also did an oil change and a safety check, and she's dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this awesome little dirt bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.